Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the newest version of the TradeCopier. It's very simple. So all you have to do from the congratulations page, after you have purchased, you should have received an email. In that email you should have this link where it will take you to the congratulations page. Here you have the Platformless TradeCopier, you have the NinjaTrader 8 add-on, the video tutorials can also be accessed from here, and also you can access the written documentation. We have all this here so that it's just one click away. All this information here you can find inside the copier itself as well, inside of the help tab. Okay, so let's get to it. First of all, you need to click here and it's going to automatically download. It's going to ask you where you want it to download it, or it's going to automatically download it. So I'm going to save it inside of my Chrome, downloads Chrome, and I think it's already done. Yep, it's already done. Once it's finished downloading, all you have to do is double click on the copier. It's going to ask you if you want to use administrative permissions. Then you can set up where you want to install it. The default is C, Program Files, ETP, Platformless TradeCopier. You hit Next, then Default. You can also create a desktop icon if you want. I prefer having this sort of stuff on my desktop. And then hit Install. And it's going to install all the components that it needs, all in the same file. And once it's done installing, you will be able to start it up. Okay, so you can launch the Platformless TradeCopier immediately. And the desktop icon also got automatically generated on my desktop right here. So let's launch this up. That's it for this video. If you want to see how to uninstall it, we have another video for that as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.